Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be back, finally back. I am back with some great recipes to share with you guys. I know it's been a long time, but I'm excited to be back and share this wonderful recipe with y'all, and I know you guys are going to love this recipe. I have a lot of wonderful recipes I'm going to share with you guys. I just have to make the time, not excuses, because we don't like excuses, right? So yeah, I just have to make the time. I have a lot of recipes I want to share with you guys. Just have to make the time to share, you know, these recipes, right? Okay, so we're gonna get right into the video because I'm excited. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Yeah, join the family, you know, cook with me. Okay, this is one of my favorite, I mean absolutely favorite recipes, the Cajun shrimp and chicken pasta. Cajun shrimp and chicken pasta, one of my friends most requested. Whenever they come here, you know, plan on coming over. Jona, you gonna make that pasta? You gonna make that pasta for me, girl? I was just like, sure, I'll make the pasta. I know y'all love the pasta. So yeah, one of our favorites, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. I mean, I honestly don't know who likes this pasta more, my friends or my husband. When we first had it at the Fridays, he was like, baby, you gotta make this at home. I know you can do it better. I'm just like, oh, here we go. So I'm gonna, enough of me talking. I'm just gonna stop and let you guys relax and just enjoy the music. And yeah, let's go. Okay, watch me whip it up because I do not play in the kitchen, honey. Okay, I said I was gonna stop talking, right? Okay, music. Okay guys, so that is it for our Cajun shrimp and chicken pasta. I mean, it smells amazing. It smells so delicious. You know, give it a try. Let me know how the recipe comes out for you. Leave the comments down below. You know, try it out and let me know how it comes out for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.